Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug, and we have an unboxing here. It's come all the way from Denmark. It's from a fellow collector, Mikkel, who is a very astute razor hunter. And I think you'll find this razor, if you're a Gillette collector, you'll find this one very interesting. That's why I couldn't say no to it. Very nicely buried away here on the side. That should be it. Nice. Rightio, let's open this up. So I know what you're saying, oh Doug, another Aristocrat. And you're right, it is another one. And this is in okay condition. It's lost some plating on the doors up the top and on the side here, but otherwise it's not too bad. Looks like it's lost a bit underneath. So that's in pretty good nick. Now, here we go. This is the interesting part. And it opens up. So, there we have. That's what it is. Now you're thinking, yeah, Doug, we've seen one of them. Believe me, you haven't. And I'll tell you why. There you go. So as you can see, the big difference is the inscription. And the case is also different. So if you look down at the bottom there, this one here has a square case. And the other here has rounded corners. So I'll leave that there like that. This is the second one I've ever seen, and the first one, well, Mikkel owns that, and then he found this one and he was nice enough to sell it to me. The theory is that this was a French release, but I'm not sure if we're 100% on that, but that is the theory anyway. So as you can see, it's the same razor inside, but the different inscription. So keep your eyes out on these, especially if you live in Europe or you're searching Europe, eBay, etc. As far as we know, we've only seen 2 of these. Mikkel's got one, and I now own the other one. So thank you, Mikkel. And I hope you all find this interesting. And there's a difference of the cases on top. You can see square and rounded corners. Okay. Thanks for tuning in, and ciao for now.